Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a rack for weight plates out of these 2x4s and a couple old broomsticks. To start, I'll cut these. Okay, so now with these three pieces, on one side I'll make a 25-degree miter, and on the other side I'll make a 65-degree miter. That's pretty slanted. Okay, now I'll cut a 15-degree angle. So that'll be 75 on the other side. Okay, now that I have all the pieces cut on one side, I'll cut the other side. Okay, so now I got this scrap 2x4, and I'll clamp this onto the saw. That should hold, and then I'll rotate it to 45 degrees and make a cut. And 45 degrees on the other side, and make another cut. So we'll spin this to 30 degrees, which is actually 75 degrees. That looks like an okay cut. Oh, this little bugger's popping out. Bonus, now we have a hole in the wood. Oh yeah. So now we have this and this. And with this one I'm going to cut both these corners off so that it'll fit better. There we go. Okay, so we got these two sides and the front one, which goes right there. And then the dowels will stick in here. So now I'll cut the dowels to length. Since we got the clamps here, right? That looks pretty good. Okay, so now I have all my dowels cut. I have two different diameters because both my broomsticks were different. I'll start out with a 7/8 bit for the thinner dowels, which are these ones. There we go. So now I just touch through the bottom right here. Okay. Okay, so now I'll cut another piece that will go down here. It'll be a support piece. And then I'll also cut a piece going out from it to here. So now I just need to assemble it. And I'll use screws for everything. Okay, now it's all done. Now I just need to put some weight plates on it. There we go. Wow, that holds a lot of weights. And I'll leave measurements in the description if you want to check that out, if you want to make one. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. I don't even think this glue is good anymore. It's pretty old, and it's definitely been frozen a couple times. But, whatever. Will you look at that? It's busted my bit. And that's stuck inside there, so, fun. Found another one to break. Hey, guess what? I broke another bit. So now I have two little souvenirs here.